Hello everyone, my name is Hanumant and today I'm going to tell you how to draw charts in Microsoft Excel. So to draw charts, first of all, what you need to do is that you need to have a particular tabular form for which you need to draw a chart. You can, for example, here I have taken the name of months and particular sales that is in particular sales that is in rupees. For example, in January, a company did 100 rupees of sales. In February, it did 110 rupees of sales. So it's just an example to show you that to find out uh, the, to draw a chart, different types of charts in Microsoft Excel, first you need to have a particular data. So the first thing first is that where to find out the charts and different type of charts in Microsoft Excel. For this, you need to click on the Insert tab on the upper side of the Microsoft Excel, and here you can see different ribbons, and there here it is the different types of charts that you can draw. For example, you can draw a column charts, different types of column charts. For example, clustered column or stacked column or 100% stacked column. You can draw different types of other charts, for example, tree map, sunburst, or different types of line charts, 2D, 3D, and pie chart as well, and other types of charts, scattered chart, and so there are multiple charts that you can draw. You can also create your own type of a chart that you want to create. And if you click on the recommended chart, uh, okay, first I need to select the table and then click on recommend chart. So see, so these are the recommended charts that the Microsoft Excel is recommending me for the tab for the table that I have. And if you click on all charts here, you will see all the types of charts that you can draw with the respect to the data that you have in this tabular form. So it totally depends upon your interest or what exactly you need to find out or how you want to present your data more effectively. So the simple thing that every beginner does is that he selects a line chart. So this is a line chart that you can draw with respect to your data that you have. So it is very easy to understand and it is very visualizing also. So the data that you have, you can present your data into more effective manner. So if you click on this line chart, it's you can do a hell lot of more in this line chart as well. For example, if you click on this plus sign, you can uh, you can do all sort of things. As you can see, you can present your data more effectively and uh, you know thing like that. You can also make a chart more visually appealing by selecting different types of colors, different types of fonts, and see, this is a beautiful representation of your chart. And if you don't want to uh, go with the line chart, you can go with the pie chart as well. See, these are the different types of pie chart that you can create. And if you break down, if you have broken down your months, you can also make it clustered wise with the quarters as well, containing 3 months each. So with the help of this pie to pie chart, you can create a uh, uh, pie chart containing a quarter names of the months and the actual names. So these are the different types of charts that you can create, and with the help of this ribbon, and you can see exactly what exactly you want. So see, this is a very uh, difficult type of a chart to read in the first place if you're not aware about this chart. And see, if you click on this line chart, see how easy it becomes to read. So it totally depends upon what exactly you want, right? What how exactly you want to present your data. So this was all about how to create chart in Microsoft Excel. And do tell me in the comment section what are the different ways that you do usually to present your data more effectively in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.